In this video, we will revise adverbs. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. But before we revise adverbs, let's recall verbs. So, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing does. For example, sit, laugh, run, jump, eat, stand, dance, sing, sleep, etc. All these are actions. So, all these words are verbs. Now, what are verbs? If you will break this word adverbs, you will see that it is a combination of add plus verbs. That means words which adds some information to the verbs, to the actions, which give us additional information of our verbs. Now, just see some examples. Reads carefully. Now, here, reads is a verb, and carefully. In what manner this boy reads? Carefully. So, this carefully word is adding an information to the verb reads. See another example. Walks slowly. Now, how she walks? Slowly. Walks is a verb, and the manner in which she walks is slowly. So, slowly is an adverb here. Similarly, see another example. Sleeps quietly. Now, how he sleeps? Quietly. Sleeps is the verb here, and in what manner he sleeps? Quietly. So, quietly is giving us additional information about this action of sleeping. Sings beautifully. Now, how this girl sings? Beautifully. Sings is a verb here, and beautifully is an adverb. Beautifully word is adding an information to this verb sings. Now, remember, adverbs are words we use to describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Basically, most adverbs tell us how, where, or when something is done. In other words, you can say they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Now, commonly adverbs are formed from adjectives. So, some examples are given below. As you can see, kind. The word kind is an adjective, and how it will be transformed into adverb if you will add ly with it. So, it will become kindly. Now, kindly is an adverb here. Similarly, see another example. Happy. Happy is an adjective, and if you will use it as an adverb, it will become happily. Next is wonderful. So, wonderful is an adjective, but if you will use this word as an adverb, it will be used as wonderfully. Wonderfully. Now, let's understand kinds of adverbs. So, first kind of adverb is adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? It is an adverb that shows how an action is done. It answers the question how. Examples, as you can see here, quickly, peacefully, loudly. All these three words are adverbs which are telling us how the action is being performed by these three characters. The girl runs quickly. The man sleeps peacefully. The girl sings loudly. See some more examples. Now, adverb here is carelessly. So, the man walks carelessly. How he walks? In what manner this man walks? Carelessly. So, carelessly is an adverb. It is giving us additional information about the action of walking. See some more examples. The bird sang gracefully. So, sang here is verb and gracefully is adverb. The tortoise walked slowly. Slowly is an adverb which is giving us additional information about the walking of the tortoise. The kitten purred softly. So, how he purred? Softly. Softly is an adverb here. Examples of adverbs of manner. She sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. All these highlighted words are adverbs. They give us additional information about the actions. In the first example, singing is an action and sweetly tells us how she sings. In the second example, speaking is an action and clearly word tells us how he speaks. She shouts loudly. How she shouts? Loudly. Now shouts is an action here. It is a verb and loudly word gives us additional information how she shouts. She smiled cheerfully. How she smiled? Cheerfully. So basically in adverb of manner we get the answer of the question how the action is being performed. Let us move on to another adverb of time. Now what is adverb of time? It's an adverb that shows when an action is done. It answers the question when. Now which all adverbs are used in this? Now, then, tomorrow, always, never, sometimes. So all these words are adverbs of time which tells us the time when the action has taken place. See some examples now. Alex rode his horse last Monday. Now when he rode his horse? Last Monday. So now this last word is giving us information about the time at which the action being performed. Now see some more examples here. We shall now begin to work. Now here this underlined word is an adverb which tells us when the action has taken place. We shall now begin to work means now we will begin to work. He called here a few minutes ago. So here also we get the question. We shall now begin to work. So when we will begin to work? Now. So now is an adverb of time which gives us information about the time. He called here a few minutes ago. So when he called us here? A few minutes ago. Ago here is an adverb of time. I have spoken to him when? Yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb of time. He comes here when? Daily. So daily he comes here. Daily is an adverb of time. Mr. Gupta lived here. When? Formerly. Formerly is an adverb of time which tells us when Mr. Gupta lived here. Previously, formerly. So let's move on now to the third kind of adverb which is adverb of place. So adverb of place is an adverb that shows where an action is done. It answers the question where. Look up. Come here. So where you have to look? Up. Up is an adverb of place. Where you have to come? Here. So here is an adverb of place. Now we will understand adverb of place with the help of some examples. First of all, see the words which are used for adverbs of place. Inside, outside, here, there, up, down. So all these words gives us the information of the place. Now see this example here. There are many flowers outside. So where are the many flowers? Outside. So outside is an adverb of place. I have lived here for about 2 years. So where I have lived for 2 years? Here. So here is adverb of place. English and German are closely related. So closely here is an adverb of place, but it also tells us the extent to which English and German are related to each other. So sometimes it tells you the extent also. So closely is an adverb of frequency. Is Mark still in bed? So still here is adverb of place. His children go everywhere with him. So where his children go? Everywhere. Means at all the places. So this is adverb of place here. Now we will understand this with some more examples. Now let us take a quick recap of all the three kinds of adverbs with examples. Adverbs of manner. So first kind was adverb of manner which answers the question how. Now see the examples. They helped us cheerfully. How did they help us? Cheerfully. So cheerfully tells us the manner in which they helped us. See another one. James drives his cars fast. So how he drives his cars? Fast. So fast is an adverb of manner. Next is adverb of place, which answers the question where. Please sit here. So where you have to sit? Here. So here is adverb of place. Two cars were parked outside. So where the two cars were parked? Outside. So outside is an adverb of place. Adverb of time. So adverbs of time answer the question when or how often the action takes place. See the example now. She came yesterday. So when did she come? Yesterday. So yesterday here is adverb of time. They deliver the newspaper daily. So how often do they deliver the newspaper? Daily. So daily is an adverb of time. Now let's move on. And now you have to find out the adverbs in the given sentence. Yesterday, we very carefully planted pretty flowers outside. Now, whatever kinds we have revised in this video, all three adverbs are present in this sentence. If you will read the sentence carefully, you will see that the first word yesterday is adverb of time. Carefully is adverb of manner. Outside is adverb of place. Very. Now, why this very is highlighted here? Because very is telling us the extent to which we were careful when we planted pretty flowers. So, yesterday, adverb of time. Carefully, adverb of manner. Outside, adverb of place. Let's see one more example. The dog always wagged his tail and jumped excitedly. So, when this dog wagged his tail? Always. So always tells us the time. So this is adverb of time. Excitedly. Excitedly means in what manner it jumps. Excitedly. So this is adverb of manner. Children, I just hope that you have understood kinds of adverbs thoroughly now. So don't forget this. Thank you very much.